Which stain for your exterior wood door is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Minwax Wood Finish. First up, we have the Minwax 222,404,444 Wood Finish in Special Walnut. Priced at just $7.47, this brand is a heavyweight in the wood stain world. If you want a deep, rich color that enhances the natural beauty of your wood, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This oil-based stain deeply penetrates the wood, providing an even color that resists lapping, which means you won't end up with blotchy patches. It dries in just 2 hours, letting you finish your project quickly. With over 11,400 reviews and a stellar 4.6-star rating, it's clear that many others have been satisfied with their choice. Now, some people complained about the smell while applying it. Here's the thing though, it's pretty standard for oil-based stains. Just ensure good ventilation, and that issue shouldn't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use option for your interior projects. Skip this one if you're very sensitive to odors or prefer a water-based product. For the price, you really can't go wrong here. Now, if the odor aspect was a concern for you, this next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Varathane Fast Dry Stain. Next, we have the Varathane Premium Fast Dry Wood Stain in Dark Walnut, available for $8.92. What caught my attention is its quick drying time. It claims to be touch dry in just 1 hour. If you want to save time while still getting a gorgeous finish, this is worth a serious look. The one-coat coverage means you can get a beautiful result without multiple applications, and it covers up to 70 square feet. This stain uses high-performance nano-pigment particles that highlight the natural wood grain, which is crucial for maintaining that authentic look. With 11,100 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear that users are impressed. Now, some people have pointed out that it might not be as durable as some oil-based options. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something that dries quickly and you're okay with reapplying every couple of years, this could still work well for you. This is perfect for you if you're someone who needs to get your projects done fast without sacrificing quality. Skip this one if you want a super long-lasting finish. Honestly, for the fast application and great results at this price, it's a solid choice. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for outdoor projects. Product number 3, Saver Systems Deck Stain. Now let's talk about Saver Systems One Deck Premium Semi-Transparent Outdoor Wood Stain and Sealer in Dark Walnut, priced at $37.99. This one caught my eye because it serves as both a stain and a sealer, which is a huge time saver. If you want to protect your wood while enhancing its beauty, this is worth a serious look. The semi-transparent formula allows the natural wood grain to shine through while providing ultimate UV protection, preventing fading and graying. Plus, it's effective on damp wood so you can stain right after cleaning, cutting down on wait times. With a 4.6-star rating from 1,200 reviews, it's a popular choice for a reason. Now, some users mentioned that it can take longer to dry than expected. Here's the thing though, if you plan your project for a day with good weather, that shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you want a dual-purpose product that saves you time and enhances the look of your exterior wood. Skip this one if you're in a hurry and need something that dries super fast. For the value you get, it's definitely worth considering. Moving on, our next product is another fantastic option for interiors and exteriors alike. Product number 4, Ready Seal Stain and Sealer. Next up, we have the Ready Seal Stain and Sealer for wood in Dark Walnut, priced at $44.98. What stood out to me is that it's an all-in-one solution. You stain and seal in one step. If you want a hassle-free application, this is worth a serious look. This oil-based formula not only enhances the natural beauty of your wood, but also provides durable, waterproof protection. It's UV and weather-resistant, protecting against fading and water damage. Plus, the self-blending formula ensures an even finish without lap marks. With a 4.7-star rating and over 600 reviews, it's clear people love it. Now, some users did mention that it can be a bit thick, making application tricky. Here's the thing though, if you use the right tools, you'll still get a great finish. This is perfect for you if you want easy application and long-lasting protection for your outdoor projects. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight that's super easy to apply. Considering the quality, it's a solid investment. Finally, if you're looking for something more environmentally friendly, our last product might just be what you need. Product number 5, Furniture Clinic Wood Stain. Last but not least, we have the Furniture Clinic Wood Stain in Dark Oak, available for $11.95. This caught my attention due to its water-based formula and fast drying time of just 10 minutes. If you're after something that's easy to use and eco-friendly, this is worth a serious look. It offers excellent coverage and comes in 12 colors, making it versatile for various projects. The water-based formula means it's safer for your wood and the environment. With a 4.3-star rating and 11,800 reviews, it's a solid option for indoor and outdoor use. However, some users noted that it might require a second coat for deeper color. Here's the thing though, if you're okay with that, you'll still achieve a beautiful finish. This is perfect for you if you want a quick-drying, low-odor option that's safe to use. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty outdoor stain. For the price and features, it offers great value. So we've covered 5 great options for staining your exterior wood door. Minwax offers a classic finish, Varathane is speedy, Saver Systems provides dual protection, Ready Seal is all-in-one, and Furniture Clinic is eco-friendly. Choose based on your specific needs and you'll have your door looking fantastic in no time.